Hi, my name's Arturo Mendoza. I'm a first year Mechatronics Engineering student at Richard Daley. Before using Genio, I struggled with taking notes fast enough, especially keeping up with the lectures while trying to write, listen, and understand at the same time. Because of my ADHD and slower information processing speed, I missed crucial details, and that added a lot of stress. Genio's changed that. Now I can review the full lecture, create clear, more complete keynotes, and study efficiently. My presentations improved, my grades improved, and my stress dropped. Genio has honestly made learning easier for me. Genio helped me more than I expected. Now, instead of stressing about what I missed during my lectures, I can review everything clearly at my own pace. This lets me rebuild my notes into stronger, clear key points that actually help me study. It saves me time, reduces my mental load, and helps me stay organized. Because of that, my presentations improved, my grades improved, and I feel more confident in my classes. Genio has honestly made learning more manageable and less stressful for me.